Quick update tayo sa laban po ni Keith Thurman sa Australia. Tinalo po ni Keith Thurman. Ito pong si Brock Jarvis via knockout in 3 rounds. Easy work. At hindi yan, kaya ano yan eh. Pero easy work po ang nangyari. Sobrang kayang-kaya talaga ni Keith Thurman at napabaksak niya po ng 2 beses. At tama lahat ng sinabi ni Keith Thurman na medyo hindi niya ka-level ito. At saka ito pong Brock Jarvis is talagang yung ano niya, yung movement niya is medyo ano talaga, parang may kanto. Kumaga walang fluidity. Kaya alam mo mahuhuli, mabagal, malaki katawan masyado. So, what's next for Kit Turman? I was actually not surprised that he's gonna win. Pakita naman natin sa mga odds na talagang lamado-lamado siya. Yung pinaka-worry lang natin is yung kanyang kalawang. Pero wala siyang kalawang at if it's at least 80% of himself, 70% of himself, I think talagang siya pa rin ang magiging yamada dito. At yun na nga, pinakita niya na he has the better skills, better experience, and Brock Jarvis actually, this is a step up fight for Brock Jarvis. They thought nakakayanan nila yung matandang Keith Thurman, pero Keith Thurman still has the skills, maganda yung mga body shot na pinapakawalan niya. At when the right time comes, walang depensa itong si Brock Jarvis. Kaya yun, nahuli ka agad ng sa uppercut eh, tapos sa right hand eh, no? And wala, nasaktan na kagad si Brock Jarvis. Jarvis, masyadong mataas sa pinangarap niya kay Kit Thurman. Kala nila kaya na eh. Kit Thurman, kakapanalo lang niya kay Mario Barrios yung huling fight niya. Although that was 3 years ago, that was still a tough fight. So, what's next for Kit Thurman? I hope he can get a fight. I think Tim Chu would be a better fight. Yung Errol Spence parang gusto rin niya yata. Pero since he's already in Australia and he has made a name in Australia, I think it does make sense pabalik na lang siya sa Australia to get a fight against Tim Chu. And I think yan ang magandang laban. Pag si Tim Chu baka siguro may kalagyan na siya. But sabi nga nila, you're as good as your last fight. And the current last fight of Team Chu, I mean of Kit Thurman right now, maganda talaga pinakita niya. He still have the combination, the body shot, and nakita natin he still can absorb some punishment. Meron din naman siya mga, ang tawag dito, mga sugat sa mukha. So, I think, well, hindi ko alam kung how should I say this? Kit Thurman is back. Yes, he's still good, but I don't think Brock Jarvis is a good test. Pero I think he deserved to be in a much bigger fight sa pinakita niya. So, Errol Spencer, Team Show, mas gusto kong makita ngayon because he's already in Australia. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Ano masasabi nyo? Grabe, no? Yung highlights naka-stories po sa aking Facebook page. This is just a quick reaction.